World Economic Forum, the Davos meet, where we see that ministers from different countries, from like representatives from international organizations, members from civil society organizations, they participate. So in 2025, this is going to be held in January, and the theme for this year is going to be collaboration for the intelligent age. How in the changing geopolitical scenario the businesses or the economic development is getting affected, or it is needed, how more transformation is needed. Macroeconomic issues have been different. We see that again inflation is not just a domestic concern but a global concern, and geopolitical wars has been an issue. So how businesses and the business environments needs to change, how trade is going to change, what are our expectations and forecast, how are we better prepared to deal with them is another area. Increasing role of technology and the critically emerging technology that needs attention. So ensuring that things function in a fair and transparent manner and in an equitable manner would be, we can say, few areas that might be discussed in the upcoming Davos meet.